Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Sean and it's your boy
Skilla.
And today we're going Seven Sisters Waterfall.
Don't know.
Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Ain't that DJ Chose over there? Look like DJ Chose.
What's up, Bree? What's up, Keith? What's up, Lisa? I want all three. Ooh, Ashley. Hey, ooh, Ashley. Hey, I get hard when she walk past me. Cause she thick.
That is fog. So, we on we way to the falls.
Yep.
The body done change up already. Looking fresh and neat up. Alright, so we reach and we're about to go down to this road here. Real cool. It's like a cliff, you see down there?
Proper thing.
Proper thing, no jaffa thing. Just don't miss a step. Look up. I don't know, this man talking about fishing line. Yeah. We go in the same place, eh? No, I'm telling you, we go in the same place. I think I hear a monkey here. Stay close. I hear in water.
Big whale. See ya,
Okay, so we reach very close. So this is the way to the falls. We're just leading you to our next river. Our next river. But they say to falls. So yeah, we're going through here. Look at that. Shail.
We could walk on that, right? One fall. See ya. This look decent. And the trail continues. Fall, just like. What's this? They didn't even know that the falls was here.
Well, the walk wasn't long, was about 20 minutes, you should say, or less than that. Although we squall and we... Yeah, the walk is up, so...
You want a cold? Okay.
Woo! Shail, come and see. Woo! You go like that. We have arrived. Guapo, guapo.
Should we?
Of course.
You could swim?
Definitely. You're gonna be it for sure. How does it feel to be on the hike?
Well, it feels wonderful. What? How do you call him this guy again?
Who?
Redneck.
Bro, I don't know what redneck say.
Huh?
I don't know what redneck say.
Yeah, well, I tell you now, this hike is super.
They call me butcher job. Crazy ass, crazy ass, crazy ass. Watch him. Crazy motherfucker. Oh. Okay. Okay. Boots is out, eyes down. I want to jump. You want to jump? I think it's safe to jump here. Well, that part I'm gonna jump in. In the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy the water, take out some pictures. I don't want to wet my phone, spoil my phone, lose my phone in the fall. So what I'm gonna do is put my phone away bed, let my body get accustomed to the water, and we go take out videos jumping in and all that stuff. So yeah.
Have fun because you'll never be as young as you are now.
Let it go for the night. That would be the best ever. Hey, yeah.
Alright, so the other phone, the other glass, everything well enjoyed itself. So I'm taking the last trip. Get ready to go. You cannot like it. So when I take the last trip, and the water is very cold. We finished bed. We on the way to go home. Shell.
Yo, dog. Don't know.
The water man looking clean.
Yeah, dog. Mad vibe.
Yeah, magic water in this place. I tell you all.
Yo, let me see my picture, man.
Everybody sniffing, puffing. The environment cold.
The vibe was mad. It was super fragilistic, estialidocious. Check.
Child. Anyway, so
look at where we at. So this is after you drop from the bus and you walk up, then this is the entrance to go down by the fall, right? So this is the funny part about it, right? So what we do is that we walk up with we normal clothes because we didn't want it to dress and then walk through all the bush. And these motherfuckers in the back here. Come. Bathing in lolly water. Lolly. Us fit, eh? Not your foot. Us. Anyway, also when all they come into the falls and all they want to wash out all their foot, we have a drum here. The water is very nice though. Right? And that's about it. So yes, everybody. That was a day. We had real fun.
One day.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like.
Dislike.
Don't forget to. Are you going?
Yeah.
Shell, you going? You have space for two? Anyway.
Now they always say congratulations.